Well, Bishop Van Boeke, it's good to have you here at Carey. We've had a partnership for nearly 20-some years with Carey Theological College and the African Brotherhood Church, and we're excited to be partnering with you in the new college, university, the dream of the university in Kenya. The Eastern Kenyan Integrated College is the new name for it. Tell us about that and tell us about the partnership with it.
Thank you, Dr. Brian, for that question. One, we appreciate the work Carey Theological College has been doing with us in Kenya. As you know, Kenya, we have independent churches, and one of the largest independent churches in Eastern Central Africa is ABC. And ABC has had a journey with Carey Theological College since a time when we felt that we needed empowerment. And this empowerment could not be received from elsewhere, but only through education. And when Carey Theological College started this journey of partnership together with FBC, we have realized how much those trainings that have been going on in the FBC programs with the formerly Metaboni Divinity School, which is today Eastern Kenya Integrated College. We have seen a tremendous growth, and the Carey Theological College has been instrumental in the same, because we have trained so many pastors, laymen, and through that, our church has now become strong and strong every day.
I understand also that the theology department is one of the first for the new college, but the second step will be to do a teacher education project. Carey again has worked with you for a number of years in teacher education, upgrading in education and teacher education and counseling. What effect has that had on your teachers, on your denomination?
Well, that program has done one of the marvelous jobs. One, it came at a time when Kenyans needed it, because Kenyan schools, corporal punishment was banned. And when it was banned, now everybody was turning around to look for another means of addressing now that problem. Only to engage Carey Theological College and the NBC into that training program, whereby more than 200 teachers have been trained. And one thing that this program has done was to disperse those 200 teachers to various schools, not only belonging to ABC, but to the whole society. And they went out with the knowledge, and they are a group that has tried to also intervene in HIV/AIDS, and through their counseling and through their teaching, they have made a big impact on the same. So guidance and the counseling as a program with the Carey Theological College and the ABC is also one of the programs that the government has felt that the church has done something to the community as well. And through these programs, the beneficiaries are also is the society. And together with the society, also the teachers benefited, because nowadays I've realized many are getting promoted because they have that certificate and they are making an impact where they are.